Welcome to our roundup of the best immersion blenders for home cooks who want speed, control, and versatility in the kitchen. Whether you are blending soups right in the pot, whipping creamy smoothies, or preparing sauces in baby food, immersion blenders offer powerful performance without the mess of traditional countertop blenders. We have carefully selected top-rated models that balance motor strength, build quality, attachments, and ease of use. Throughout this video, we will break down what makes each blender stand out, including power, versatility, comfort, and overall value, so you can confidently choose the right one for your cooking style. Stick around until the end, because the final picks offer serious performance upgrades. Let us get started. The first on the list is the Saucony 4-in-1 Immersion Blender. This model is designed for everyday kitchen tasks while keeping things simple and affordable. It comes equipped with strong motor performance for versatile attachments and easy one-button operation, making it beginner-friendly and practical. The blender handles basic jobs like pureeing soups, blending smoothies, and mixing sauces with consistent results. Its stainless steel blending shaft is durable and safe for hot ingredients, allowing you to blend directly in pots without worrying about damage. What makes the Saucony stand out is its all-in-one approach. With attachments that include a whisk and chopper, it easily replaces several small kitchen tools. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during longer blending sessions. Overall, the Saucony 4-in-1 Immersion Blender is a reliable choice for casual cooks who want a simple, budget-friendly blender that can handle daily kitchen needs without unnecessary complexity. Next up is the Biolomix 1200W5-in-1 Immersion Blender, a noticeable step up in power and flexibility. This blender features high 1,200-watt motor output, 5 multifunction attachments, and variable speed control, giving users more precision and strength. From crushing tougher ingredients to creating ultra-smooth soups and shakes, this model delivers consistent power across tasks. The build quality feels solid, with a sturdy stainless steel shaft and splash-resistant blade guard that keeps mess to a minimum. The variable speed dial allows you to adjust blending intensity smoothly, rather than relying on preset speeds. This makes it ideal for recipes that need gradual blending, such as creamy soups or homemade mayonnaise. The included attachments expand its usability, letting you chop vegetables, whip cream, and mix batters effortlessly. Overall, the Biolomix 1200W5-in-1 is a strong option for home cooks who want more control and power without jumping into professional-level pricing. Next, we have the Wankel 600W Electric Hand Immersion Blender, which focuses on simplicity and efficiency. It highlights compact, lightweight design, sharp stainless steel blades, and reliable 600-watt motor power. While it may not be the most powerful option on the list, it performs exceptionally well for everyday blending tasks like soups, smoothies, and sauces. This blender is especially comfortable to use thanks to its slim handle and balanced weight. It is easy to maneuver, even in smaller pots or containers. The 2-speed control keeps operation straightforward, making it ideal for users who prefer minimal settings. Cleanup is quick, as the detachable shaft rinses clean in seconds. Overall, the Wankel 600W Immersion Blender is perfect for users who want a no-fuss, dependable blender that gets the job done efficiently without taking up much storage space. Next, we move to the ROUNY 4-in-1 Hand Immersion Blender, a model designed to balance power, versatility, and comfort. It offers powerful motor performance for useful attachments and turbo boost functionality for tougher ingredients. This blender is well-suited for blending thicker mixtures like nut butters, dense soups, and frozen fruits. The turbo mode is particularly useful when you need an extra burst of power, helping achieve smoother textures faster. The ergonomic handle is designed for extended use, and the blade guard minimizes splashing during high-speed blending. Overall, the ROUNY 4-in-1 Hand Immersion Blender is a solid mid-range option for users who want versatility and extra power without sacrificing ease of use. The last one on our list is the Biolomix 4-in-1 High-Power Immersion Hand Stick Blender, and this is where performance truly shines. This model stands out with high-torque motor strength, precision variable speed control, and durable stainless steel construction. It is built for users who want professional-style results at home. The powerful motor handles everything from silky smooth soups to thick purees with ease. Variable speed control allows for precise blending, giving you full command over texture and consistency. The stainless steel shaft is strong, heat-resistant, and designed for long-term durability. Attachments are well-made and lock securely, ensuring stable operation during demanding tasks. Overall, the Biolomix 4-in-1 High-Power Immersion Blender is the best choice for serious home cooks who want maximum performance, control, and long-lasting build quality in one dependable kitchen tool. So, those are our top picks for the best immersion blenders. Each model brings something unique to the table, whether it is portability, power, versatility, or premium performance. If this guide helped you decide, give the video a like and subscribe for more honest and in-depth product reviews like this. All product links are available in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.